Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, July 19th. And you can see in the background here, this is from Wayne and Mike Siefka's picture sent to me by Wayne. Thanks a lot for letting me use that, Wayne. And again, yesterday, a big day. We've seen about 15-20 growers in this area finish up their wheat. And again, we find ourselves quickly winding down the wheat across this area. Much of it now coming in from areas a little farther off to the north. Still a few customers are on here with more wheat to go here for the next couple of days. But again, we're going to quickly wind things down here. And it's probably a good thing we've got a lot of steamy weather coming up with a lot of chances for thunderstorms as we go through the next 5 days, right into Monday. At any given time, we could see showers and thunderstorms. The best bet, however, will be for overnight tonight into Thursday as an MCS complex rolls through, and then especially for Friday night into Saturday night, that could be quite stormy with the potential for some locally heavy rains and severe weather. And you can see extended outlook continues to show that we're going to be a little bit on the near normal to maybe a little bit below normal, and then supposedly a little bit below normal precipitation, but we'll see how that goes. If we look at conditions around the area this morning, temperatures well into the upper 60s to around 70 degrees, a very warm, muggy start to the day. And we're going to see humidities increase here over the next several days as dew points climb well into the 60s and temperatures will climb well into the mid 80s, maybe even some upper 80s in some areas. As far as growing degree days, great shape. We're at the very top portion of the last 21 years when it comes to growing degree days. And again, that was never really going to be a big issue. And we expected we'd also have plenty of precipitation, so we certainly didn't forecast the kind of rainfall we saw back in June across mid-Michigan. But again, it certainly is turning out to be a rather decent growing pattern for the Great Lakes. You can see on the satellite view this morning, some of the colder cloud tops trying to reestablish themselves this morning. That could be a little flare-up of some showers from around the Lansing to Charlotte to Jackson area here on this morning. Those probably, by the time you see this video, will have moved off to the east. And again, we're expecting a lot of warm, humid air to move up across the areas to our northwest and then eventually slide into the area. And we'll also have a good chance for a MCS complex to develop across Wisconsin and Illinois late tonight and slide into the state tomorrow. It'll be weakening, but I think it'll hold together enough to give much of the area a chance of showers and thunderstorms during Thursday morning. And if we look at the weather map for this morning, you can see a lot of strong to severe storms and locally heavy rains off in areas of southern Minnesota, northwest Iowa, into Wisconsin, and even into portions of the UP. And again, that activity will continue right on through Monday on a scattered basis. But we do have those two periods, Thursday and then Friday night into Saturday, where they could be more concentrated. Right now, Friday night, Saturday night looks quite stormy. By Thursday, that front will move to the south throughout the day, and then it'll return back to the north as a warm front as we get into the day on Friday. And again, that's going to be the beginning of some of our active period. And by Friday, again, we see that front nearly stationary, and it'll move into the area here over the weekend. But again, as long as these frontal boundaries continue to be near us, we're going to see a chance of thunderstorms right through Monday as it looks right now. As far as the next 72 hours, not a whole lot of precipitation, maybe around a half an inch in many areas, a little more to the west. And again, that would be mainly for the system that moves in tonight and dies in the morning. But then if we look over the next 7 days, you can see a lot of precipitation expected across much of the lower peninsula, especially across much of the MAC area, where between 1 and 2 inches seems like a pretty good bet at this point. And for forecasts, again, looks like we're going to see our temperatures in the mid 80s right on through Friday. Very warm, muggy conditions with scattered thunderstorms. Again, the best chance is coming later Friday into Saturday, and we'll even see those extend really into Sunday and Monday as well for the least of scattered activity. Thanks for stopping by and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.